is not the future anymore. It's the present. And today, I'm sharing 5 amazing AI websites that can save you time, boost your productivity, and make your digital life easier. 1. ChatGPT, Openai.com. We all know it's powerful, but most people don't use it to its full potential. Use it to write blog posts, generate ideas, fix grammar, or even plan your day. It's like having a 24/7 assistant in your browser. 2. Crisp.ai. Do online meetings a lot? Crisp removes background noise from your mic in real time. No barking dogs, crying kids, or keyboard sounds. Just crystal clear audio during every Zoom or Google Meet call. 3. Remove BG. This tool lets you remove image backgrounds instantly. Just upload a photo and boom, clean cutouts in seconds. Perfect for product photos, YouTube thumbnails, or profile pics. 4. Slides.io. Need to make presentations fast? Slides AI lets you create beautiful, professional-looking slides just by pasting your content. No more designing from scratch. 5. Durable.io. Want to build a website in 30 seconds? Durable is an AI-powered website builder that creates complete websites based on just a few inputs. Great for small businesses, portfolios, or landing pages. These sites are free to try. Which one will you try first? And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SmartLife AI for more smart tools and AI life hacks every week.